Proper sunlight is very important for a room, so we need to keep in mind when designing a house. Beds and wardrobe positions into bedrooms can be like this. Move the door and divide bathroom into 4. For washroom, toilet, washing machine and shower. Furnish your living room with floor sofa. Increase size of the kitchen and install a wide TV screen. Place round dining room table for 6. Install a room divider and shoe closet and entrance. Now you can add a bedroom with study desk and wardrobe for a teenager. Comment below if you like piano in your apartment or room. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget subscribing my channel.